all the pharmacy students were sent an email asking if they wanted to volunteer to be the first to give COVID vaccines, because pharmacists are an essential part of vaccinating right now, especially. So I did sign up to do that. I did that for one day at Ruby, and then I went back to work as an intern at Moundsville, and the owner there asked me if I'd be interested in giving vaccines for them, and I was like, absolutely. So that's how I got started there. Oh, I was just really excited because I really wanted to be part of the initial start of giving vaccines and be part of this monumental moment in history where we're giving vaccines to try to get rid of this pandemic. While giving vaccines, I was never concerned because I do wear my N95 mask. I wear either goggles or a face shield. So I feel like I'm taking all the necessary steps to protect myself and to protect the person that I'm giving the vaccine to. And there was a woman that I had that started crying because she was just so excited that she was getting her COVID vaccine. And that made me excited because I personally was excited to receive mine. I would give most of them at the pharmacy. That was basically my realm. And it was mostly healthcare workers. There were some government officials as well, but mostly healthcare workers. And we also did clinics. I would say I was probably close to 400 vaccines because we had such a great system going. People were surprised that they weren't waiting in line. We had a guy who brought a book because he thought he would be there for hours. And he's like, I've only been here for 18 minutes. I honestly feel so privileged that I get to give vaccines because I know in Pennsylvania interns aren't allowed to give vaccines. And here in West Virginia interns are allowed. So I know getting that opportunity is really a great thing for me. It's a great experience. I can eventually tell like my children that I was part of that and that I was giving vaccines whenever there was the COVID outbreak. So I just it just feels good that I'm personally allowed to give vaccines in the state.